Hello, you're welcome to another episode of Python and Tree. In this tutorial, the Rebecca Home as a dictionary. And when we talk about dictionary, a dictionary is a built-in data type. They store key value pairs. So you can say key value pairs. I mean, say any data type now be stored. And as items now, you want this dictionary. You want a key and you want a value. And unlike a list, and I say tuple, no. Also, her list items in the woman are arranged in positions. Even in tuple, they are arranged in positions. The opposite access one, you can use their positions to have access to them. But with dictionary, they are indexed by their keys, and that's a key now. So with the specific key of each item, a word dictionary, and I bet me have access to the value of that dictionary. So key features a word dictionary when say each item is a pair. In the item, they are not into two. So you will have the key, now what's the value, and then key must be unique. So in a dictionary, a key must be unique. So you can't repeat the key, but you can repeat the values. So the value in there, but me I repeat it, but the key in there, you can't repeat it. And dictionaries are also mutable, so you can make changes to a dictionary. And so also make changes to the values in the dictionary, you can make changes to it. But the key in there, you can't make changes to it. So continue with it now. I'm going to give you an example of a dictionary. So teaching you how to create a dictionary now, I'll say my dict, and I'll say okay, name, and then say age. So age, and I'll say 17, and then another thing I'm adding also, and so yes, is student. Okay, and then my true. Okay, so I'm closing with a curly brace. It's the name of the dictionary, no, and then with the dictionary you create a curly braces. So you open the curly braces like this. Open bit my horizontal and also bit my vertical to say the my. So we meet me at the atoa so say. Meet me the atoa so to say the my name. Me yen is here. Okay. So see. Me yen is here acceptable. But for clarity's sake in intino, you understand. Send the bear who read here, you can read it properly. That's why my yen is here. As a professional developer, say who create a dictionary, this is how you're supposed to do it. Okay, now okay braces no up and down okay, so my mention when 1 2 be say okay na make say a dictionary no your key and your value. So in a dictionary, this is the key, okay, and then this is the value, this is the key, and then this is the value, this is the key, and then also this is the value. And then with the value, you can use multiple data types. So I have my string, I have my integer, I have my boolean. To say that we have seen. So key, value, and you can make changes to this. Say at one time, you can't make changes to this, but you can make changes to this, same as this, and then you can make changes to this. And this let me print here. Let me print it for us to see something. Boom. My date. Okay, let me clear. Now me run in here shady. Into the share answer menya name from age 17 student true. So that is that's for the dictionary now. So basically this is how a dictionary looks like. And another thing I was adding is say you can also create another dictionary within this dictionary. So I can say people. Okay, maybe a people no. So another dictionary is and maybe my sans create a list within this dictionary. So I can say maybe items. Okay, and I be courses. Courses. Okay, and then courses need be a better list. It means me person be a biology, geography, and then English. Okay. See, people no so be containing family members. So make say be a family, and I be a parent. Okay. Family we parent. Maybe a parent, no. Or also be a be a parent name, and I say parent name. Parent name. So be a Mr. Dankwa. Okay. Be a phone number. So their phone number is 0245. So I'm financial string 0245 0245 Okay. Basically, this is another dictionary, a word dictionary, and then you can also create a list within this dictionary. So any data type be a person will use in the dictionary be I know what me use. This time around here, you will see say remember me all these data type number the achievements. One say abahasi. Okay. So for the meantime, I'll clear these ones from there. So let's say Bia, I want only the name of this student and I said this person. Okay. And I do not need these details. No, so what I'm supposed to do is say first make up print and then my dict. Okay. It's gabasha sen kana a list and as a tuple nka ha me de square bracket na esha hase a nka bia nka be the specific position of that item na nka me de me pe no. But in the dictionary no, I'll be using the key. That is the key of that item na me pe no. So here me pen name, but name no, I should put it into quotation marks. Okay, so put single quotation mark and I say double quotation mark. It be a work fine. So here no, it doesn't matter. So we use single quotation mark and I say double quotation mark. Into some printing way, I be only the name of that dictionary now I'm PT and I said that person. So as you can see, on say I'm John into say me pay, let's say here me penny age here and also now say age me rania me age. Okay, so once I'm 17. Okay, and another thing is that if I want to make changes to, let's say, the age of that specific person now, it is easier. So here my dictionary, that is the name of the dictionary now. And then the key of that specific item now, me changing on. So it is the age. So I'll bring the age and then I'll sign it to maybe 19 because then the point there 19 years. It is a print here. Me print, let's say my dicta. Okay. We will say my age 19 instead of 17. So let me run this for us to see. Me run here no. On say age 19 but instead of 17 because I've changed it using the key no. Sounds like say be a person me changing maybe when you students maybe a person be too false and I'll see be a student no. A student no me be be a false. Okay. Now false now say capital F. Okay. So now me running about say a student no be false instead of true. So on say about false. Okay, so that is how you can create a dictionary, and then you know say dictionary may say the key no immutable. You can't make changes to the key, and you can't repeat a specific key. And then you can also make changes to the value using the key no. That is how with me I am. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And any questions, let's also type it into the comment section, and I'll find time to answer that specific question for you. Bye.